speaker. I want to be a spiritual teacher. That's what I'm craving for.
Okay.
I want to teach. I don't want ukufanisa impilo zabantu.
Nezabanye ukucompare ugxeke.
Not nezabantu necessarily.
Okay.
Or mhlambe nento engaphefumliyo.
Friction.
You see uba ama motivational speakers bazawufanisa impilo yomuntu necephe. Bafanisa impilo
yakho the Matrix movie.
Can you imagine? No, kufuneka ndixelele bamfethu, in order for you uba ukwazi uba wenze 1 and 2 and 3, become present. How to become present? You endure into the moment as it is without judging it of how it is supposed to be. Just get into it as it is. Forget of wena ubucinga kuzokwenza into ethile. No, yeke leyo. It's about what it is now.
I'm so sorry.
Be into it.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I need to say this because
I wanna what's that?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Be in the presence, guys, when you having sex.
Be present. Be into it. Yeah, be into it. Yeah,
be in a moment, be present.
Because you're gonna miss this moment, and this moment will be no longer there by that time. Just be fully there.
I have to say it. I'm sorry.
Just be fully there. But that's reality. Even
Yeah.
though, like, perhaps but that's real. Be there. Be fully there. You're gonna miss that.
Yeah.
So I'm phoning ngathi faka yokuza. Bewongenayo yokuza. Because when you couldn't be present enough to enjoy that. Yabo uthe uyenza lento wabucinga ezinye izinto yabo.
I love this.
Yabo wabona umfanekiso womnye umuntu wangabinawo walomfanekiso walomuntu. Wangabinalo umfanekiso walomuntu phambi kwakho yabo. Kanti uBeyonce uzumfonele, you're not going to get Beyonce. Yabo. You're not going to get Beyonce now. Kunomthandazo be with nomthandazo. Nakunomthandazo wakho be with nomthandazo wanele yabo. Another thing is that
I'm sorry I had to make this example because that's a reality of life here too, and other people are not comfortable with talking about it. But thank you for that moment.
Yeah, because I mean, like, there's even a chapter here where I'm talking of that in terms of the gift of enoughness.
Okay.
Yanela.
Sikhuliswe kanjalo kodwa nasemakhaya yakho. Yanela yilento oyifumanayo apha ekhaya.
Yeah, yonela yilento nayo. Yabo? Because awuyazi futhi okokuqala ba lowa anayo uyifumene kanjani. Awuyazi ba aze abe unguBeyonce, what happened?
You guys understand.
So wena understand nomthandazo lo wakho uphambi kwakho. Yabo? Enjoy into her fully. Be present. Yeah.
Love it. Now tell me.
I didn't know actually, yes, but ingathi ngafundiseka lula with those kind of examples.
And
but it
me,
makes point.
People, trust me, people love talking about this. But bayoyika bona uyithetha bayathanda uyimamela. Kodwa bafunda ukuthetha ngayo.
And I think it's what actually gonna make them. It's what actually guys gonna make you to get the book.
Yeah.
Kasi Baker with these examples and stuff.
Definitely.
Because actually that's the truth.
Yeah.
The truth is be into the moment.
Yeah.